How's it going, everybody? This is Chase with Chase the Outdoors. Today I'm going to be showing you guys how to do a solar water still. So when I was filming, for some reason the microphone, the cord wasn't properly, put into the camera, so it just wasn't working. So I'm just going to do some overlay, but it's pretty easy to do, and I'll show you guys how to do it right here. So all you'll be needing is just to get like a bowl, put some water and it fill up probably like a little less than halfway. Let's put some salt in it just to really kind of test it out, and I'll actually put some dirt in it too to really see how it works. So then you just have a little extra bowl or a cup. You want to put that in the very center. Get some of your like saran wrap, put it all the way around it. Make sure it is sealed up all the way around. And then you want to put a rock or just something dense in the middle so that the condensation can go down. So I let this go for about a full 24 hours, just so you guys know. So I ended up taking an extra measure just because the water was so murky. I got a mason jar. You can get a little towel or just like a bandana like what I have, and then you can get a rubber band and put it around the top right there. Just seal it up like that, and then you take the water. It was a pretty good amount. I was kind of surprised how well it did for such a small bowl, really. So then you take the water. I mean, look how murky that is, and look how clear that is. That is a big difference. So I actually ended up spilling quite a bit of water from it. The first bowl that I had it in, it was just too wide for the top of the mason jar, so it kind of just spilt over, but that's where it started from, that's where it ended up, so that is a big difference. And just trying it out, couldn't really taste any salt, which was good. It didn't, I mean, it really tasted more of like the minerals in it. I could taste a lot of that, to be honest. So I think that just has to do with the dirt and everything. But fun little project just to try out and everything. Once again, this was over just under 24 hours, I believe. And it's just kind of a fun thing to try out. So I hope you guys enjoyed this, and let me know what other videos you guys want to see next. Thank you.